So the client wants a new boiler, and for the boiler to go as far right as you can. Obviously those wires will be moved out of the way, but yeah, that needs happening. So if you give us a quote for that, that'll be great. And then if we go upstairs.
How much you quoting for this whole job? It's a big one.
They want a new bath installed, a new toilet installed, and a new basin, tap basin right there. Obviously I said the radiator, I think. Yeah, radiator there. And then it want a new radiator in every room. So one there, one there. So that's 3.
Remember, it's a first and second fix.
One there. And the last radiator there. So if you could give us a rough quote for all of that and get back to us, as they are very keen to get it going. Alright, cheers mate.